Today I'm going to TikTok HQ and you're going to come with us. As part of the agaibh initiative, we were invited into TikTok HQ today and I'm so excited. They are celebrating linn and iontach, and 3 of our core Kish and agaibh, myself and my teacher friend Emma, are heading in to spend the day with us. I also want to push out more Irish videos across TikTok, so if you're watching, push my videos out. Thugamór an train seach agus bhí lá álí na gcuin. Dús thug siad bricfásta dúin agus bhí sé go hálín. Bhí go leor scoilna ann ó chorcaigh, ó chéirí agus rudí mór sin. Agus tar éis an bricfásta bhí curdla na gcuin. Fuair mór an cúplar seo agus not gonna lie, I was fangirling. Bhí panel álí ann agus bhí siad ag caint faoina daithí leis an nélga agus bhí siad go hálín. An inspráideach don adultaí gan doubt. Agus tar éis gach mar pórtaí go mórtas lá álín a bhí a gcuin. It was so gorgeous, the start of the day anyway. Thank you so much, agaibh. Cunner na agaibh, shocked in agaibh agus TikTok. It was honestly such a fabulous day. The day turned a little bit different. The trains were not working from Pierce because of some overlying difficulties or whatever. So then we had to hop on a dirt to Malahide, and then we had to wait ages, and we're all soaked to the skin, especially the girls, and cold. So we got a taxi back, and then in the taxi I noticed that 2 of the diamonds are missing from my ring, and like they definitely weren't missing because I am so particular. I noticed everything. I actually think there was a really strong Dyson hair or hand dryer. I think it was that, but I'm very sad. But anyway, I'm just minding gorgeous little Murph here for a few minutes. And then I'm back in school for the musical the third night until about 10:30. But it was a fab day. Thanks again. Slán Lev.